Hello everyone. Today in this video I will tell you about minerals. What are minerals? Why they are essential for our body? And what are the examples of minerals? In my next video I will tell you the different types of minerals and their functions and sources. So let's begin today the general introduction of what are minerals. As you all know, minerals are very important for our human body. These minerals have various role in our body. So these minerals have a various role in metabolism, and body function. Okay, we all know these are essential. Why these are essential? These are essential for the proper function of cell, tissue, and organ. Okay. These are required for the normal growth and maintenance of body. Okay, what are minerals? These are important for our body. They have a various role in our metabolism and body function. These are essential for our proper function of cell, tissue and organ, and these are also essential for our normal growth and maintenance of body. Now, what are minerals and in which amount they are present? The minerals, they are usually inorganic. Okay, the mineral element constitute only a small proportion of the body weight. Okay, minerals, these are usually inorganic elements, constitute only a small proportion of our body weight, and these are required in only a small amount. If there is any imbalance or abnormalities in abnormality level means mineral disorder can also occur when we are not taking in a proper amount. So mineral disorder are created or occur when there is any abnormal level of minerals. It means these minerals, if these minerals are high in the body, that will create disorder, and if these minerals decrease in our body, then also we get some kind of disorders. So the proper amount in which they are required we have to take through our diet. Like example, the most abundant mineral is calcium. Okay, if there is a decrease in a calcium level, the people get the disorder like hypocalcemia, or in elder people, osteoporosis. Next example, iron. I think you all know deficiency of iron leads to anemia. These are the two examples of minerals. There are many examples of minerals which I will tell you further one by one. So now these abnormalities, these mineral disorder, sometimes what happen, they pass from parents to their children through the genes. So we have to maintain our mineral level or also. Now classification of minerals. Classification. The minerals are basically divided into two types: principal element or trace element. Principal element is also known as macromineral or which are present in some higher amount, means they are required in high amount. Now this trace element is also known as micromineral or microelements, and these are required in low amount. Okay, now this first will discuss principal element or macro element. Okay, these principal element or macro element, first of all, they are required in higher amount in compared to micromineral or a trace element. Next, these macro elements constitute 60 to 80% of the body inorganic material. Examples like calcium, phosphorus, sodium. This is the chemical name, chemical symbol of sodium. Next, potassium, chloride, sulfur. Okay, now the trace element, these are required in a low amount, and these elements are required less than 100 mg per day, and these macro elements which are required in higher amount, they are required greater than 100 mg per day. Okay, let's take a quick revision. Principal element and trace element. Principal element is also known as macro element because they are required in higher amount. In a day we require greater than 100 mg. It constitutes 60 to 80% of the body inorganic material. Some of the examples are calcium, sodium, phosphorus, potassium, chloride, sulfur. And these trace elements are required in a less than 100 mg per day. And this micro elements is again subdivided into 3 types. First one, essential trace element. Possibly essential trace element. Next one is non-essential trace element. Okay, this micro element which are required in low amount is again divided into 3 types: essential, possibly essential, non-essential. Example of essential trace elements are iron, copper, iodine, zinc, cobalt. Okay. Examples of possibly essential element. Example: nickel, cadmium, barium. Non-essential trace element examples are lead, mercury, boron, silver. Okay, this is the classification of minerals. So I think you might get to know why the minerals are important for maintaining our body. We require minerals which are very important for our body. In my next video, one by one I will tell you what are the minerals, types of minerals like calcium, phosphorus, sulfur, iodine, iron, and what are the function of these minerals, what are the sources, and what are the disorders. Thank you for watching my video.